Hi, I'm Amber from Amber's Craft Week blog. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make decorative letters. The letters that I'm going to be making are going to be for Brian's and my wedding this May. But you can also use these for birthday parties or general home decoration. They're very versatile. To make this craft you will need cardboard letters spelling out the initials, names or words that you want to use, glitter cardstock, a pencil, white paint or paint that corresponds to the color of your glitter cardstock, a paintbrush, scissors. Additionally, you may need a box cutter or X-Acto knife if your letter has an inside to it, like A has that little triangle you'll have to cut out. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to want to do is trace our letter onto our glitter cardstock. We're going to place our letter face down on the cardstock. Now A is symmetric, so it doesn't really matter what size you use, but if you have something like this ampersand symbol, you're going to want to paste it down on your paper so that it looks like it's backward to you. And that way when you trace it, it's going to come out, you'll flip it over and it will be the right way. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace. Now that we have our letter traced onto our glitter cardstock, the next step is to cut out our letter. So now we have our A mostly cut out, we just have to cut out this little interior bit. To cut out this interior bit, I'm going to lay this down on some scrap cardboard and cut it out using a box cutter. And now we have our cardstock A cut out, which as you can see will go nicely over top our cardboard letter. So we'll start by painting the back, and then we'll go ahead and paint the sides and a little bit of the front. If you want to save on some time or if you have a lot of letters to do, you could also do this using spray paint. Alright, so now we have the back and part of the sides painted with their first coat of paint. It's looking like it's probably going to need a second coat of paint once the first one is dry, so I'm going to do that probably. But I'm going to go ahead and do the successive paint coats off screen, so I'll be back once this is all painted. So now I've finished painting the A. I didn't paint it completely on the front because this is where the cardstock is going to go. But I painted around the edges just in case the cardstock and the letter don't line up perfectly. Our final step is to take our cardstock letter and glue it down on top of our cardboard letter. Now we just have to wait for our letter to dry and then we're finished. Here is our finished letter. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd love it if you gave it a like. If you want to see more craft tutorials, including more wedding craft tutorials, then you may want to subscribe. You may also want to check out my craft blog, amberscraftweek.blogspot.com, which I'll link to below. Thanks for watching and have a great day!